How to create family center invitation in Facebook. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we will simply open Facebook app. Here you guys will see on top right corner profile pic with three lines. So simply click on that. Here you guys will see menu, also search bar option and setting option on top. So I will simply click on setting. Here you guys will see privacy checkup family center default audience setting. So I will simply click on family center. Now here it will say family center for Meta Technologies. You can read the text that are written, and also you guys will see create invitation. So I will simply click on create invitation. Once you create invitation, it will say here is your invitation link. So simply copy that and share it with your team. That's how you can create family center invitation link. Thanks for watching.